We are back at Vision, and I am again with Nichole Eskelsen. And what's really great about this opportunity is we're here to talk about expansion. She's been using us for a few years. And Nichole, can you tell us why we're expanding?
Well, you know, one of the things I love about zSpace is zSpace stays current, but not to a point where it's not sustainable for us as a school district to stay up to speed. zSpace has implemented such a great process in how you advance our content. For me, one of the things that sold me on zSpace was really the customer service all the way around. I didn't feel like I was just being used by a salesman. My teachers feel very valued by the support that they receive. And then my IT person actually talks about how great the technical service department is. And that's huge to have that all full circle in a district.
Well, we take a lot of pride in giving you the whole solution. What's your favorite thing about zSpace?
You know, what first sold me on zSpace many visions ago was the fact that I could feel like I was holding a heart in my hand. The wow factor of a student being able to do that and feel like they're truly engaging in that type of work, that's a very different thing than just showing them a picture in a textbook. So to me, it's just that wow impact. I can do this. Just watching kids' faces when they're interacting with that software in the classroom, that's a level of engagement you just don't see from a textbook.